Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and I kind of have a little bit of a voice today, and I'm going to try to show you guys what I ended up buying at Big Lots the other day. So I've been very sick for a couple of days, and my throat actually is holding out. So here we go. Let's try to do this. I did pick up a couple of pumpkins. Everything was half price. So they do have a Black Friday. Every Friday is Black Friday there now. And I got an email saying it was a one-day sale on the fall, and it was the fall and Halloween decorations. So I did pick several things up. I wasn't going to. You guys know I'm trying to declutter and all, but you know, it's nice to bring in a few fresh pieces. So this was about $5. Yeah, about $5 for that, and it's a really good size. So I bought that one, and I also bought this for the same price. I also picked this up. This was, $14.99, so about $7 for the lighted skeleton candlestick. And I don't usually do a lot of like scary decorations for Halloween, but I'm going to put a few things out, just so it actually feels like Halloween. When the kids were home, it was so we got into it a little bit more, and I really miss that. I think I've been in a bit of a slump, so I'm looking forward to doing some fun decorating. I also bought this LED animated projector. We have a couple of these for Christmas, and this was about $10. So I picked this up, and I'm going to put this probably on the garage, have it projected on the garage. I thought that would be fun, so looking forward to that. I picked up a couple of these lights. They were $2.50 each for 50 count, and it's two-tone mini lights. They kind of reminded me of candy corn, don't you think, a little bit? So I thought, you know, this would be good to use probably indoors. I don't know if these are indoor outdoor, but let's see. Yeah, indoor outdoor. So I think I'm going to use these indoors though. You know, like obviously it's not going to do the sweeping for me. It's just for fun. But it was just so whimsical. You know, this is such a whimsical buy, really. I just couldn't resist. This was $34.99, so it's half price. So about $16, $17. And hopefully I don't regret that purchase. But I had a little bit of money to put in my budget to have a little fun for home decor. You know, you gotta have some fun. I did pick up a couple of these, well, 3 of these little birds, and they're candlesticks, and they're dark enchantment, $5.99. So I spent about $3 on each, and I did buy 3 of them because I have a thing for 3 birds, and I love crows. I love crows all year round. We go camping a lot, and I love the crows. I've gotten crows now to start coming to see me when I'm camping. I mean, they don't land on me or anything, but for the longest time I couldn't even get them to come near the campsite, and now they are starting to do that. So I don't know, crows are interesting, but I like them, even though I know some people don't. Let me know what you guys think. Now I picked up the 50 LED battery operated harvest string light set. This was $4.99, so I paid $2.50. So you just can't have too many light sets, right? So I got that. And I bought some of this Super Glow spider web, super stretch. I don't think I've bought this for a long time. When the kids were home, I did. But I'm going to try to use this along with some of the lights, I think, is what I'm thinking. We'll see. And here's another pack of the lights. Now this, if you noticed, was $2.99, and I only paid $1.50 for this. That's 50 count. This one is 50 count. I don't know why, They're different brands. but they only had one of these. I should have just got 2 of these. I would have saved money. Okay, well, they look exactly the same. Isn't that interesting? I should have looked a little closer at it, I think. Yep, there's Roscoe. Yep, your eyes are glowing because I have the light on. So I did end up buying 2 of these for the $2.50 or the $1.50. So I bought 2 of those and 1 of those. And I bought 3 pumpkins, 2 orange and 1 white. And I bought a couple of these. I thought I could fill them up with my own soap, but I love buffalo check anyway. So I'll probably I'll go ahead and use this, but I think buffalo check, you can put that out anytime. So I bought 2 of them, probably one for probably in the bathrooms is where I'll use them. So we'll see. And I did get another bag of these, and I bought some of these. So these were really good price. These are usually, kind of expensive. So these were normally $4.99, and I got them for half price. And I bought 2 of them. I don't know how long, let's see, it says it's 66 inches. So, and that's my haul, y'all. I've literally been on the couch, though, recovering. So, John was sick, too. He actually had to take a day off from work. So, yep, we're both recovering. He's back at work today, and I'm binge watching some of my favorite YouTube channels and Netflix. Let me know in the comments if you have some favorite YouTube channels you think I might like too. So, all right, thanks so much for being here. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.